Black holes have long captivated the human imagination with their immense gravitational pull and enigmatic nature. These cosmic phenomena, formed from the remnants of massive stars, possess a gravitational force so strong that even light cannot escape their grasp. While we have gained significant knowledge about the characteristics and behavior of black holes, the question of what lies on the other side remains a tantalizing mystery. Today we will talk about what is on the other side of black holes. But first, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. To understand what could exist beyond the event horizon of a black hole, we must delve into the realms of theoretical physics and consider the implications of Einstein's general theory of relativity. According to this theory, the gravitational pull of a black hole warps spacetime to an extreme degree, creating a singularity at its core. This singularity is a point of infinite density, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. One possibility is that the singularity at the center of a black hole leads to a bridge in spacetime known as a wormhole. Albert Einstein and physicist Nathan Rosen first proposed the concept of wormholes as a way to connect distant regions of the universe. If a black hole's singularity does indeed create a wormhole, it opens up the tantalizing possibility of travel to other parts of the universe or even different universes altogether. However, traversing a wormhole is not without its challenges. The extreme gravitational forces near a black hole's singularity would subject anything attempting to pass through the wormhole to intense tidal forces. These tidal forces could stretch and distort matter to such an extent that it would be torn apart, a phenomenon aptly named spaghettification. Overcoming this hurdle would require a deep understanding of exotic physics and the development of advanced technologies far beyond our current capabilities. Another intriguing possibility is that black holes serve as gateways to parallel universes or alternate dimensions. The concept of multiple universes, or the multiverse, has gained traction among physicists as a potential explanation for various cosmological mysteries. If black holes are indeed portals to other universes, then their study could provide valuable insights into the nature of reality and the existence of worlds beyond our own. However, it is important to note that these ideas remain purely theoretical at this stage. While black holes have been extensively studied and observed, direct evidence for the existence of wormholes or confirmation of their connection to parallel universes is yet to be found. The extreme conditions near black holes make it challenging for observational techniques to probe beyond their event horizons. In recent years, scientists have made significant strides in understanding black holes by combining theoretical models with observations from astronomical phenomena such as gravitational waves. These breakthroughs have shed light on the behavior of black holes and the possibility of extracting information from their boundaries, known as the event horizon. This progress brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries that lie within and beyond these cosmic behemoths. In conclusion, while the question of what lies on the other side of black holes remains unanswered, the pursuit of understanding these enigmatic objects pushes the boundaries of human knowledge. Theoretical concepts such as wormholes and parallel universes offer tantalizing possibilities, but further research and technological advancements are needed to confirm their existence. As we continue to explore the depths of the universe, black holes continue to captivate our curiosity and drive scientific inquiry into the unknown. Thank you for watching the video until the end, and do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell button. See you soon!